Hello, my name is Kirstiana and I'm here outside today to do some surveying. So what I have here is a tripod and then I have an auto leveler. So what we're going to do is we're have my best buddy over there, Jonathan Clayton, holding up a surveying rod, and we get to survey what he's doing. So let's go over here to our tripod. It's quite an easy procedure. You just got to have the legs in the ground. Make sure it's nice and steady. Bring it up. And then we bring out the auto leveler. It's a really cool, unique thing because from this distance you can't see what he's holding up in his hands, but this little contraption is able to see, take off lid cap of course, be able to see how far he is. The auto leveler is actually used to measure different elevations, so you can tell how far up the elevation is or how low the elevation is compared to where you are. Now granted, this changes based on height of the person, but it's really cool to kind of see how much the land changes based on how much. There we go. Got a beautiful, nicely leveled auto leveler. Now it's time to see how far he is away. From my height, it's about 3.82 feet from distance. So, and that's what we do, and then he'll move over to a different area, and then I'll see how far it is from that area. And by that we can compare based on how much of a change it is to see how much elevation change. So now with this beautiful new direction, I can go and look for him. And now I'm at 3.64 feet. So the incline has went down. But that's kind of the simple procedure we have. After we're done, we unscrew it from the bottom, pull the auto leveler, put the lovely cap back on, and we disassemble everything. Thank you so much for coming to LETU University. Hope to see you guys here next year. Thank you.